as the president of this country, I must ensure public order in line with the constitutional oath to protect the lives and property of every citizen. Our government will not stand idly by and allow a few with a clear political agenda to tear this nation apart. Under the circumstances, I hereby enjoin protesters and the organizers to suspend any further protest and create room for dialogue, which I have always acceded to at the slightest opportunity. Nigeria requires all hands on deck and need us all, regardless of age, party, tribe, religion, or other divides, to work together, reshaping our destiny as a nation.
President Tinubu urges suspension of End Bad Governance protests, calls for dialogue. President Bola Tinubu has appealed to Nigerians to suspend the #End Bad Governance protests and embrace dialogue. In his nationwide broadcast on August 4th, he emphasized that his administration will not allow politically motivated individuals to destabilize the country under the guise of protests. He assured Nigerians of his commitment to good governance amidst the socio-economic challenges. Tinubu reiterated the importance of maintaining public order and protecting lives and property as per his constitutional oath. He urged protesters to halt further actions and open up to dialogue, highlighting the need for unity across all divides to reshape Nigeria's destiny. The president warned against exploiting the situation to incite ethnic bigotry or threats, stating that such actions will be met with the full force of the law. He emphasized that democracy flourishes when constitutional rights are respected and law enforcement agencies act responsibly. Addressing the youth, Tinubu acknowledged their pain and frustration, but cautioned against letting violence and destruction tear the nation apart. He assured them of his administration's efforts to listen and address their concerns, while focusing on economic stabilization and infrastructure development. Tinubu called for collective efforts to build a brighter future, emphasizing hope, unity, and progress. He warned against misinformation and stressed that his government is working hard for the people, promising visible and concrete results soon. The president concluded by urging Nigerians to support democratic governance, warning against unconstitutional agendas that could reverse the country's democratic progress. The 10-day protest, which began on Thursday, had escalated into violence, property destruction, and loss of lives in several parts of the nation.